Hey there. It's been a minute. I had to take care of myself. But now I want to reach out to all of you guys and remind you how important it is to continue to take care of yourselves, especially as numbers are going up and government is thinking about rolling back into phase 2. But here's what you can do. Firstly, you want to continue to eat healthy, eat nutritious foods, a higher plant-based diet. You want to make sure that you're getting in a regular exercise routine because it helps prevent those mood swings. It will help you from falling into a depression. It will help that anxiety that you might be feeling. 3, we want to make sure that we're getting enough sleep, at least 7 hours, but you really want to try to get 8 to 9 hours of sleep. If you follow these things, nutrition, exercise, sleep, you'll find a big difference in how you're feeling mentally and physically. Be well.